At the top of the K-Electromoxa device, there is a mechanical power switch. Sliding this switch to the right will turn the device on. This switch is intended for use only when transporting the device, such as during house calls. In a clinical setting, it is recommended to keep the device powered on. Next to the power switch, color indicators are provided for the 6 terminal connectors. These colors have been upgraded to match the colors of the terminals. This feature allows users to easily identify which terminal is being applied to each treatment area when multiple terminals are in use. To power on the K-Electromoxa device, press and hold the front power button for approximately 2 seconds. Once the device is turned on, the upper right corner of the panel displays circular indicators showing that all 6 terminals are connected. If one of the terminals is disconnected, an X mark will appear in the corresponding position, allowing the user to immediately identify which terminal has been removed. This is a newly upgraded feature introduced in the second-generation model. On the K-Electromoxa device panel, the second row displays the 9 stimulation modes. The row below shows the current heating temperature. At the bottom of the panel, users can check the number of Moxa applications, the corresponding treatment time, and the battery level. The second-generation K-Electromoxa device offers 9 treatment modes that can be selected based on the patient's condition, treatment area, and treatment duration. First, there are 3 heating modes. The first is the simultaneous heating mode, which was used in the first-generation K-Electromoxa device. In this mode, all 6 terminals, from 1 to 6, begin heating at the same time. The temperature rises until it reaches its peak at approximately the midpoint of the total treatment time, after which the cooling phase begins. The second is the sequential heating mode, in which the 6 terminals are activated one after another at fixed time intervals. For a 3-minute treatment, the interval is 30 seconds. For a 2-minute treatment, 20 seconds. And for a 1-minute 30-second treatment, 15 seconds. The third is the alternating heating mode, in which the odd-numbered terminals, 1, 3, and 5, are heated first, followed by the even-numbered terminals, 2, 4, and 6, at the midpoint of the treatment time. By combining these 3 heating modes, simultaneous, sequential, and alternating, with 3 treatment durations, 3 minutes, 2 minutes, and 1 minute 30 seconds, a total of 9 treatment modes are created. For the 3-minute treatment, Mode 1, simultaneous heating of all 6 terminals. Mode 2, sequential heating. Mode 3, alternating heating. For the 2-minute treatment, Mode 4, simultaneous heating. Mode 5, sequential heating. Mode 6, alternating heating. For the 1-minute 30-second treatment, Mode 7, simultaneous heating. Mode 8, sequential heating. Mode 9, alternating heating. When stimulation is blinking, use the up and down buttons to select one of the 9 treatment modes based on the patient's condition, treatment area, and treatment duration. Then press the Select button to confirm the selected treatment mode. On the temperature setting screen, you can select the temperature to be used for treatment. In the first-generation K-Electromoxa device, only 45 degrees Celsius, 47 degrees Celsius, and 49 degrees Celsius were available. However, in the second-generation device, it has been upgraded to allow selection of 47 degrees Celsius, 49 degrees Celsius, and 52 degrees Celsius, the temperature that provides the most effective therapeutic results, while 45 degrees Celsius has been excluded. After 52 degrees Celsius, the user mode temperature can be selected. When user mode is selected, the temperature display will blink. At this point, you can adjust the temperature using the up and down buttons. Pressing the up button repeatedly allows the temperature to increase up to a maximum of 57 degrees Celsius. However, temperatures above 52 degrees Celsius carry a risk of burns and should only be used for specific purposes such as removing warts or corns by cauterizing tissue. Pressing the down button repeatedly allows the temperature to be lowered to a minimum of 40 degrees Celsius. In this example, we will set the temperature to 45 degrees Celsius, which is suitable for patients who are sensitive or fearful of Moxibustion. After selecting the desired temperature and pressing the Select button, the display will move to the session count, number of Moxa applications, setting screen. When the number of sessions is changed, the total treatment time is automatically calculated. For example, in a mode where 1 session takes 3 minutes. 6 sessions equals 18 minutes. 7 sessions equals 21 minutes. If the treatment mode is changed so that 1 session takes 2 minutes or 1 minute 30 seconds, the total treatment time will automatically adjust accordingly. For instance, if mode 7, 1 minute 30 seconds per session, is selected, 5 sessions will take a total of 7 minutes. This is half the time compared to 15 minutes required for 5 sessions in the 3-minute mode. After selecting the desired treatment mode from the 9 available options, choose the treatment temperature, 47 degrees Celsius, 49 degrees Celsius, or 52 degrees Celsius, then set the number of sessions. Once all settings are complete, press the Start button to begin the K-Electromoxa treatment.